Hi everyone, this is Shad Abdu with the weekly analysis. As usual, we're going to start with the euro against the American dollar on the daily time frame. As you can see here, just like what we mentioned last week, the pair is traded above a strong support area. Let me highlight it for you. So this area that is located between 1.1217 to 1.13. This is where actually we want to find some bullish evidence so we can go long, targeting the level of 1.1535 during this week. This will be conditioned by the continuation of trading above the level of 1.12. So in other words, I would say that as long as the pair is traded above the level of 1.12, it's highly recommended to go long, targeting the level of 1.15. This is our first target for this week. So that's it for the Euro USD. Let's move to the JB USD on the day time frame. Actually, I don't see nowhere to enter the market now, so I believe that it's better for us to wait for the pair to reach this very strong resistance area that is located between 1.3216 to 1.33. This is where we can look for some bearish evidence. So our scenario is something like this: the pair goes up to reach this area. Then as a result of reaching this area, the price might show up some bearish evidence, and this is actually what we need, because if we find some bearish evidence in this area, we can go short, targeting the level of 1.30, 1.28 during this week. Maybe this is going to take some time to be completed, but actually I don't recommend entering the market now under any reason. We just want to wait for the pair to reach 1.32 to 1.33. This is where we can look for some bearish evidence, as a matter of fact. Let's move to the gold on the 4 hours first of all. Then we'll go to the daily. So as you can see here, we have an uptrend line, a strong uptrend line. If we started from this point like this, okay, so as you can see, strong uptrend line, higher highs and higher lows. This means that we have an uptrend. So let's move to the daily to see what we have here. Actually, we have an area between 1350 to 1360. This is where we can look for some bearish evidence, so we can go short. So this area, okay, the highlighted one, this one. So actually we can wait for the gold to reach this area, and if it shows up some bearish evidence, we can go short, targeting the level of 1300 during this week. Let's move to the Australian dollar against the American dollar on the day time frame. We have a strong support level here, 0.70, this one. So this is where we are looking for some bullish evidence. In case this happens, we can go long, targeting the level of 0.73, 0.74 during this week. Finally, with the JPY on the day time frame, if we still remember the last week, we mentioned that there is a potential that the price might be forming head and shoulders pattern. It is not an ideal one, but it works. So this is the head and this is the second shoulder here. The neckline is this red line here, as you can see. So it's about to be broken. So in case this happens, a daily close would confirm the breakout. Then we would suggest that the price might continue going up to reach at least 149 during this week. I hope this helps, and thank you for watching the video. Have a wonderful week.